Before we dive into the code, here is a quick demo of what we'll build today. An image to text converter app through Streamlit and Python. Just upload an image, even one with handwritten text, and boom, it extracts the text instantly. Let's try with another image. And yes, you can download it too. Clean, simple, and super handy. You can also access this app from your mobile or any other device using the generated link. Open your browser, type the web link address which this Streamlit app has provided, load an image here, and just like that, text extracted. Tap the download text button and save it as a .txt file. Super useful, right? Hey friends, welcome back to CID, where we simplify Python, AI, machine learning, and full stack web development for you. Let's now build this amazing app together. To begin with, install the required libraries, open your terminal and type pip install streamlit pytesseract, and here you go. Now head over the official Tesseract OCR site and download it for your operating system. Once installed, copy the path of the executable and paste it into your script like this. Make sure this path matches your system installation. Now let's go through the code of this powerful yet compact app. We'll be using Streamlit for building the web app interface and pytesseract to perform optical character recognition on uploaded image. We'll use pill to process image files, and now we'll be using pytesseract.image to string to convert images into the text. A function will be using st.fileuploader, which will allow users to upload any PNG, JPG, or JPEG files. And finally, at the last, we'll be using st.download underscore button, which will let user to download the extracted text. So everything is packed: upload, preview, extract, and download, all in one slick interface. But wait, what if you want a handwriting to text converter like Google Lens? See this. Google Lens scans handwritten notes and reads them perfectly. If you guys are interested in learning how to build an advanced handwriting OCR using Google Vision API, let me know in the comments below. I'll make a full tutorial for that as well. Thanks a lot for watching. If you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CID and Education Hub for more exciting tech content. Until next time, keep coding, keep learning. Bye bye.